1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb war. 5, 6, 7, 8.
You are truly overweight.
I don't know that one. You joking? You're joking, right? I'm not fat.
You tell him yet?
Wait, what? This is for real. You all think I'm fat?
Yeah, truth is, you're fat.
Why would you all think to tell me like this?
Because you love Thumb Wars.
It's the only way we thought we could tell you.
And you eat everything.
Everything.
I mean, we're roommates, aren't we? It's supposed to be our food. I eat most of it. You know, I don't want to play this game anymore.